everyone, my name is Hương. Today I will teach you how to cook rice. First, if you have leftover rice at home, put it in a bowl. Yes. Put the rice in your cooker. Yeah. Pour the water into each electric. Rinse your rice. Pour out your water. Give more water. Whip your powders of your pot so it doesn't get wet. Squeeze on your electric cooker cooks butter. Wait until the grease turns into warm butter. After about 15 minutes, enjoy your meal. Goodbye everyone, see you.